If you are looking for an incredible deal on a luxury new construction home in the Fields community in Frisco, you are absolutely going to love today's video. If we haven't had the opportunity to meet before, I'm Andrew with the Andrew Smith team, eXp Realty here in Frisco, and I specialize in helping buyers find new construction and quick move-in opportunities here in Frisco and Prosper, Texas. The home that we're going to be touring today is the home that you see directly behind me. It is a Toll Brothers home that was originally listed for just under $2.47 million. Now on closeout and only a couple of homes remaining, this home is listed for $1,995,000. Let's go take a look inside. Welcome inside the Todd floor plan. It is an absolutely beautifully finished out home, as you would expect from Toll Brothers. Now this particular home, as you saw, it is a two-story home. It's going to have 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 2 half baths as well. 2 of the bedrooms are going to be located here on the main floor, with the additional 3 bedrooms located upstairs. Let's take a look around. So here's the view from the front door of the home, and you can see it just opens directly up into that great room at the back, and which we'll see in a minute. Those sliding glass doors open all the way up to give you incredible indoor, outdoor living opportunities. Now immediately to the left of the front door here, you do have the stairs that go up. As we make our way down this hallway, right here on the front of the home, you've got these double glass doors that lead into a pretty nice sized office. Continuing down the hallway, you do come to the media room. So it is a first floor media room in this home. So it's tucked back in the corner here, if you like. Nice size, and as you would expect, fully wired out, all ready to go. Adjacent to the media room, you are going to find a powder room here. So this is for guests. And then as we continue down this hallway, that door right in front of us does lead to the single car garage of the 3 car garages. And immediately off to the right here, you are going to find the secondary bedroom that's located on the main floor. And as you've probably noticed so far, except for the media room, you do have these beautiful hardwood floors, and then this bedroom does have an ensuite bath with a really nice step-in shower. So as we continue back out into the main section of the house, you've got a nice big coat closet there. Make our way back to this main hallway, give you a quick view up. So you've got the railings there. It's really nice and open to the second level. And then as we continue on, you are going to come into the main living area. So it's absolutely set up perfect for entertaining. You've got this linear fireplace and a marble-like tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling there. So it's about 20 feet tall. And as mentioned, you've got the all glass sliders across the back here. It is a covered patio, but you do have these 4 additional windows above, so that does let additional light in. As we pan around this way, you can see the kitchen. So absolutely enormous island in this home. So easily fit 6 bar stools right here. You got your space for your refrigerator. You have your double ovens, a beautiful subway tile backsplash, these quartz counters. You've got your microwave down here. The pantry is here off to the right, which goes back quite a ways, so it is quite a deep pantry. As I pan back around, the cabinets are absolutely beautiful. They do go all the way up to the ceiling. They're done in almost like a cinnamon color. They're really, really nice. You've got your 6-burner cooktop right here, and then of course a farmhouse sink, and then this is the view back into the main living area. And then adjacent to the kitchen, you do have the one and only eating area. So in typical fashion in floor plans these days, not so much a formal dining room, But this room here is really large. You could fit quite a nice sized table in here. With that, we'll make our way back across. Before we do, right here is the entrance to the 2-car garage. Now, I don't usually go out into the garage, but I did want to show you one of the nice things in this one is that you do have full epoxy floors. So this garage has been completely done out or finished out as well. Now we'll make our way down this hallway that's adjacent to the living area. Straight in front of you is the laundry room. So a nice generous sized laundry room here. Got your washer dryer hookups right there, space for an additional refrigerator. You got cabinets up top, and then these cabinets across the side and back here with a sink. And the cabinets and counters do match what you have in the kitchen. Now the wood floors continue here into the main bedroom. So good sized bedroom overall. Again, views across the back. Got the tray ceiling there. And then adjacent here, you do have the main primary bath. So really nice big vanity here. The mirrors are trimmed out the same color as the cabinets. You do have your standalone soaking tub. And then you've got a really nice generous sized shower there with a rainfall shower head, of course, and then the bench seat across the back. The other vanity over here, complete with a makeup desk or makeup counter, and then this is going to lead through into the finished out primary closet. So they've done a really nice job in here overall. So what do you think of this home so far? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to get your thoughts. Now, with only a couple of homes remaining from Toll Brothers here in Fields, pricing and availability is subject to change at any time. With that in mind, to get latest pricing and availability, go ahead and scan this QR code or see the link in the description below. It's going to take you directly to a property details page where you can get all of that information as well as schedule your own private tour. Now let's go take a look at the backyard. So you do step out onto this nice size covered patio. You might be able to see there's a gas stub in the wall right there, and then right above there are hookups for a TV, so you could put a really nice outdoor kitchen in. And the way this is built out and shaped, it would be very easy to screen this in. And so you can really enjoy indoor-outdoor living. So you may notice here as we walk out, there are no neighbors directly behind this home. So it's a pretty nice sized lot overall. And again, it just feels so wide open. Right behind the house here, you do have part of the walking trail system that connects all of the Fields community. And as I pan over this way, don't know if you can see completely, but there are some cranes in the video right there. That is actually Fields West going vertical right now. So the upscale luxury shopping and dining area that's being built, which you can easily walk to from this home. So not a bad backyard and setup out here overall. Really, really nice and peaceful. And you are going to have this area just beyond the fence there that's going to be part of the chain of lakes. All of that will be filled in with water. All right, welcome up to the second level. And as you see, as we're gonna walk around here, this is an absolutely incredible floor plan for growing families or those that need a little bit more space. You're gonna see the way it's laid out. It offers plenty of room, and there's some very thoughtful design features here. One of the things that you're going to notice right away is the hardwood floors from downstairs do extend upstairs as well. So all of the main walkways, the game room right behind me here, are going to have those hardwood floors. Let me show you around. So here at the top of the stairs, you do have the game room, and I'll come back through the game room in just a minute. But as I turn in the opposite direction, that is where all of your bedrooms are going to be located. So along this way, we do have one of the additional bedrooms upstairs, and they're all a very generous size, and they are all completely en suite. So you've got the closet back there, you've got the vanity in here, and then this one does have a tub shower combo back over here. And then making our way back towards now the front of the home. Before we get there, you do have a powder room serving the upstairs right here. And as we make our way directly to the front of the home, you've got another one of the bedrooms right here. So again, good size overall. And then this one here, again, ensuite bath. And this one has the vanity, and it is a step-in shower. And then next to this bedroom is the 5th bedroom over here on the side. So again, nice size bedroom overall. And then this also has, this one has the closet back over here. And then you will find that the bath is here up on the front of the room. And this is also a tub shower combo. Now as I head back over to the other side through the game room, this is like a kid's dream. I gotta be honest with you, kids, teenagers. So you've got the really nice size game room right here. And then as we make our way through the game room, you then have this tech center area. So there's 2 built-in desks that they've put into this home right here. And then that leads into a flex room. So this area here, man, would be great. So it's almost like a second living area. So for the kids up here, so you've got the main media room downstairs, you've got the game room, but then here's an area where great collection for toys, teenagers to hang out. You've got your TV hookups there. Maybe it's a gaming center, something along those lines. And one of the structural options in this home is this outdoor covered deck. So this is absolutely beautiful. Let me go out there and show you this. All right, so really, really nice out here. And it kind of gives you a good idea, you know, we're at a higher vantage point, so it kind of gives you the view. So where we are now, we are in the original section of Fields, which is known as Brookside. This area of homes that you're looking at right there is Brookside North. There's a bridge right there, and like I said, that will be full of water. There's a park right behind us here. More construction for Brookside North. There are all those cranes. That is Fields West being built. And then right behind this first light post in front of us is actually the Universal Kids Frisco. So kind of give you a good idea of where we are located. Then as I pan down, kind of gives you a good idea of the backyard in this home from above. So in closing, as I wrap up here, it's important to remember that this section of the Fields community is just about built out. So the opportunity to own a luxury home here is fast disappearing. Again, this home was originally priced just under $2.47 million, and that price has been cut, and it is now being offered at $1,995,000 as part of the closeout. Now, if you'd like to see how this home compares to other quick move-in homes and other luxury homes here in the Fields community, then I invite you to schedule a free consultation with me. Go ahead and scan this QR code or see the link in the description below, and I'd be happy to schedule that time to talk through your plans and help match you with the builder and the community that best suits your needs. So thank you so much for touring this beautiful home with me today, and I will see you in the next video.